At Vandergraaf, we're committed to quality and efficiency, and there's no better example of that than our flagship product, the VDG Drum Motor.
If you compare a VDG Drum Motor to a right-angle gear drive, we're looking at about a 30% increase in efficiency.
The VDG design is a more simplified design. Previously, there was a motor and a gearbox configuration here, so that was more components that have wear on them. This design is more simplified, so the life expectancy will be longer, and therefore the expected maintenance cost overall in the machine will be much lower.
Up until 2011, we were using the old style motor and gearbox drives for our conveyors, and we experienced about a 3 to 5% failure rate during the first year on the motor and gearbox. And once we switched to the VDG, that failure rate during the first year dropped to about 1%. And we've even had years with 0% failure rate. It's been a tremendous improvement.
This equipment has to be running for the plant to run. If we have to pull this equipment down to service it, to do any kind of mechanical work, we lose production. We lose electricity, we lose money. That's our lifeblood.
Just the benefits that it's provided us in manufacturing as far as reduction in time, simplicity, safety. It's just so easy to install. We're just putting them on, they clip right in, a couple of minutes they're installed and never have any issues with them.
Safety. Safety is huge, and you don't have the guards, the belts, the clutter around the head pulley. VDG offers a great potential for eliminating all those things.
Blue Ribbon frozen foods, they converted because of space requirements. And now that they have, he's slowly converting the entire plant because he's fallen in love with the product.
Because of the robustness of the product, you have faith in knowing that you've done the engineering right and you can set it in place, turn your back and know it's going to do the job.